guys, what's up? This is Prachi and today's video is going to be another super easy peasy beginner friendly makeup tutorial, and this time we'll be talking about eyeliner styles. So I'll talk about 3 eyeliner styles. Like usually you see me wearing this one, which is my basic look because basic is my usual style, and then 2 more eyeliner styles which I use when I'm in the mood for something dramatic and a little extra. Also some tips for beginners on how to get started when they're just learning how to apply their eyeliner. So just keep watching this video guys to find out. So start by first prepping up your eyes, and for this use a primer, a foundation, a concealer. Of course these steps are not mandatory, you can totally skip it, but yes, prepping up the eyelids definitely is a much better option because it gives a much cleaner look. And talking about the kajal, I'm using the Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohal Kajal Black Brilliance. This is a 2-in-1 Kohal cum liner, smudge proof, waterproof formula which stays on all day. It's 100% cruelty free, vegan and preservative free, making it absolutely safe for those with sensitive eyes. The MRP is Rs 495. However, I'll share a code with the link in the description box below, with the help of which you can get 10% off. Now it comes in a pencil style like this, and the color is beautiful jet black. It's a nice creamy nice formula, very easy to work with. If you put extra pressure you get this smudgy look, which is really nice. However, when I'm using the word smudgy, let me clarify this guys. The kajal actually does not smudge. It's completely water resistant. It does not smudge even when you do this. Let me show this. And it really lasts, so that is absolutely awesome. And as for the kajal guys, when you're applying an eyeliner or kajal, just try to rest your pinky finger or other fingers on your cheek to create a compass like style, and hold your mirror at a slightly lower angle so you can actually see it better. And now for applying the kajal, let me show you this basic everyday style which I just said I usually use every single day. So just keep close to the edges, okay, of your eyes. Just keep it close to the edges, and then keep applying your kajal slowly. So of course if you want a more bold look, you want to use extra pressure, more strokes. Otherwise you want to keep closer to the eyelids edge and then apply. So don't forget the lower lash line, don't forget the corners, and apply it to the thickness that you prefer. And yeah, that's all you have to do guys. It's actually very easy to apply, and just with a little bit of practice you can get this perfectly. The idea is to keep your pencil close to the edges. Now moving to the simple winged eyeliner, which is very common, very popular, especially when you want something dramatic. All you have to do is to extend your kajal like you just saw that to the slightly higher angle. That's all. You don't have to go out of your way to create a style, create a design. People use sellotapes and spoons and whatnot. I don't feel that's required at all. And then let me show you the last and final, which is the double winged eyeliner. Now again, there are many ways of creating this, but the first thing you absolutely need to do is to sharpen your kajal really well. So again, I'm using the Plum sharpener because I actually got this for free, and it's a pretty good sharpener. You get this at Rs 150, but in this case you get this for free with the kajal. So anyways, the links and everything are in the description box below, and as you can see, it sharpens without any wastage. It works really well. And if you want to sharpen it further, you can also use a blade or a little, this is not exactly a blade, it's more like a plastic tool, which is not sharp, but it works perfectly to actually shape your kajal in a very safe, nice way without any wastage, without any cutting. So as you can see, I'm just sharpening the kajal a little bit more, and yes, now the kajal stick, the pencil is all ready. And now I'm just going to create a little parallel line to the winged eyeliner that we just created. That's all you have to do. And one more thing guys, if you're a perfectionist, you can just wipe off the excess to give it a nice angular style. Of course, it's not mandatory, you can skip the step, but I just kind of thought of showing this. And then on your lower lash line, you want to add a little bit more of the kajal, because to kind of just complete the look. A lot of people go for a really bold look for the lower lash line. I want to avoid that because I have dark circles. And yes, that's it. I'm completely done, and that was the third look. So guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications guys, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me Prachi signing off now. Bye bye.